back to another vlog. It is Thursday. Yes, Thursday. I am out and about running a few errands. I decided to treat myself to a little Tim Hortons breakfast. So I have my coffee here and I have a little breakfast sandwich. I'm going to enjoy this in the parking lot of Hobby Lobby, and then we're going to go in and see what we can see. I'm on the hunt for some big Happy Planner stuff. So all of my Happy Planner stuff that I have is classic size. I have a couple of like mini sizes, but I don't have anything big. And I'm contemplating printing and putting my budget by paycheck workbook from the Budget Mom into a Happy Planner system. And when you print those things out, unless you resize them, they're 8.5 by 11. So the big Happy Planner stuff is all 8.5 by 11. So I'm thinking about buying a few accessories and stuff to go with my Budget by Paycheck workbook for the new year. I was thinking about resizing everything and putting it right in my classic, but I feel like having more space to write would be better, and it'd just be a whole lot easier just to print it at full size. So that's what I'm going to go into Hobby Lobby and look for. After that, I think I'm going to go get a haircut. My hair is crazy today, but just a trim. I'm not going to cut much off, I don't think. Nothing drastic, but it's feeling really unhealthy. So take a couple inches off, provided that the hair cutter is not completely packed. I try to get in like first appointment in the morning because they are typically pretty busy because they're pretty affordable, but it's already well beyond that. It's almost 10, so I'm gonna have my breakfast and go into Hobby Lobby. Of course, I'll take you guys along with me. I also want to thank you all for your amazingly sweet comments on the vlog from the other day when I was talking about teenagers and how tough it is to parent them. I sat in bed last night for over an hour answering comments because I got so many comments from you guys being so super supportive. So I really, really appreciate it so much. If you missed that vlog, I was talking all about my oldest son, Robbie, who will be 17 in January, and how he's been giving us a lot of trouble lately. He's been getting in trouble at school. So if you want to go back and watch that vlog, I recommend it. It was really, really wonderful hearing from all of you, so thank you. I'm going to go and have my breakfast and my coffee before it gets cold, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. So it doesn't look like they have a whole lot in the way of big stuff. I found a couple things, but I don't have a ton of options. Alright, you guys, well, my camera's about to die, but I want to show you quickly what I got in Hobby Lobby. I just got the Happy Notes, the big notebooks, so that I can have some filler paper. And then they had this little washi tape roll on sale for like 37 cents. So, I went ahead and picked that up too, and while I was in there, I had the opportunity to do a little random act of kindness. There was a woman in front of me who was having a hard time with her card. It kept getting declined. She said she had just used it to get groceries, so I don't know if she was over her limit or if there was some kind of fraud or something, but I was able to pull out some cash from my little miscellaneous envelope that I just filled yesterday and bless her little girl with a little toy she was trying to buy, so that felt really, really good. You know, it's that time of year when you're feeling like being charitable, and I was lucky enough to have that opportunity. So that felt so good. I love being able to do that when I can. I mean, it was $10, but it was a big difference for that little girl. So very excited about that. Now I'm going to go get my hair cut. Alright, so I doubt very much if you can even tell, but I did get a little trim. It feels so much healthier. She said she took off like 2.5 inches, so just enough to get rid of the dead weight and make it feel a lot healthier. I'm going into Walmart now to pick up some new shampoo and conditioner so that I can keep it looking nice. I think I'm going to try the OGX Coconut. I've been using their body wash and really liking it, so I think I'm going to try the shampoo this time. It's sulfate free, so hopefully it'll be a good one. I'll show it to you guys once I pick it up, but headed into Walmart now. Alright, are you guys ready for another little car haul? I went into Walmart and picked up a few things. Decided just to share with you right here in the parking lot before I head home, because why not? So, I went in, I told you guys for shampoo and conditioner. I picked up the Extra Strength Damage Remedy and Coconut Miracle Oil Shampoo from OGX. Like I said, I've been using the coconut oil body wash and really liking it, so I decided to try the shampoo. I also grabbed the matching conditioner. I just lost my bag. Maybe this wasn't the best idea. Maybe I should have waited till I got home, but I don't know. Felt like doing something a little bit different. I thought a car haul would be fun. What else did I pick up from that line? I also picked up the Quenching and Coconut Curls Curl Styling Milk from that same brand. This is from the Coconut Curls line. I almost bought the Coconut Curls shampoo and conditioner, but decided for the Damage Remedy one instead. Picked up a little round brush for blow drying my hair. I also grabbed some of these flushable wipes just because we needed those at home. Alright, let me pull out the other bag and share with you what else I picked up. Alright, so I picked up a little 3-pack of these back smoothing, like, sports bras. These are just like a light support lounge thing for me to wear around the house. I also picked up this one. It says it's a racerback pullover from Hanes with cool comfort. It's just the Hanes Get Cozy Bra All Day Comfort. It's wicking fabric, I suppose. So I picked that up as well. I grabbed some gum. This is the extra peppermint gum. And I picked up some little Icebreakers mints. And lastly, I just grabbed a little soda to drink while I was in the store. So that's my little haul, and now I am headed home. But I had a lovely little me morning, taking care of a few things that I needed and wanted to take care of, and getting out of the house, which is what was the point. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys at home. Alright, you guys, so I have not checked in because I've been pretty busy. I was editing yesterday's vlog, which is super duper short, and then I was printing out all of my workbook pages for my new planner, which I'm not going to go through because I've already talked this thing to death. But I am planning on doing a separate video on my budget and my planner for 2020. So be on the lookout for that towards probably the beginning of January. But I got this punch in the mail that I ordered to use to punch all of my papers to put them in here because my Happy Planner punch broke, and the big Happy Planner punch only punches one piece of paper at a time, so I got this heavier duty one, and I just spent the last like 2 hours printing everything and getting everything situated and punching it and putting it in here. So that's basically what I have been up to. It is now 2:30-ish. Austin will be home soon. Eric's actually already home. They had nothing going on, so he came home from work and is actually taking a nap right now. Robbie's taking some time to work in his bedroom. So I'm just hanging out, waiting for Austin to get home so we can see what else we're going to get up to today. So Robbie made dinner tonight, and he made us a lovely meal here. We've got some pork chops that he just shake and bake, basically. He did some roasted sweet potatoes, baked sweet potatoes, that's the word I was looking for. And we have some steamed green beans, and this is a really nice meal, so thank you, Robbie, for cooking.
Even though Dad just stole my pork chop.
Dad didn't steal your pork chop. He just took the bigger of the two.
It was my pork chop.
You were trying to hoard the biggest pork chop.
Damn, I made them.
So it was very nice of him to cook, and this is a really nice meal, so I'm excited to have it. Austin, come have dinner, buddy!